Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile on your iPad 9. First, ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for the game to run smoothly. Then, head over to the App Store and download the official Warzone Mobile application. For a more competitive edge, consider pairing a compatible Bluetooth controller, which offers superior control compared to touch input. This setup will get you ready for action. Once you're in the game, optimizing your settings is crucial for the best experience. Navigate to the graphics menu and adjust the quality to find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates on your iPad. Next, customize your touch controls. Experiment with different layouts to find what feels most natural for your playstyle. Don't forget to check the aim assist option if you want a little help with targeting enemies. To excel in Warzone Mobile, strategic gameplay is key. Start by choosing less contested drop zones to gather essential loot without immediate engagements. Effective communication with your squad through in-game voice chat is vital for coordinated attacks and revives. Practice advanced movement techniques such as sliding, tactical sprinting, and jump shots to outmaneuver opponents and gain a significant advantage in firefights. For advanced play, always keep an eye on your minimap to track enemy movements and anticipate engagements. Experiment with different weapon loadouts to find combinations that complement your playstyle and the current game situation. Understanding weapon attachments and their effects can give you a significant edge. Also, remember to stay hydrated during long gaming sessions. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.